Hi, my name is Jalur Kudus, founder and chief data scientist at Hyperlearning AI, and welcome to the first module of our Python Taster course. This course provides a fun and interactive introduction to both the Python programming language and basic computing concepts through the coding of programmable robots. It's designed for complete beginners who are interested in learning Python, or indeed any programming language, in order to embark upon a career in technology, but first wish to explore Python in a fun and engaging manner. In this module, we will define what Python is and discuss the overwhelming benefits of learning Python. Let's begin by first defining what Python is. Python is an open source general purpose programming language. This means that it can be used to develop software for a wide variety of tasks. Today, Python is used to create and maintain a huge range of computer applications and services, including in relation to web apps, cybersecurity, hacking, performing data analysis and media processing, robotics, and developing artificial intelligence systems. Python is a popular choice for those wishing to learn computer programming and computer science fundamentals for the very first time because it's easy to learn, intuitive, and supported by an active global community of software engineers, data scientists, and academics. So why would one wish to learn Python? Python is an industry standard language that will equip you with the skills and knowledge to future-proof yourself against the rapid advancements in modern technology. Learning Python can open the doors to a huge and varied range of both hands-on and non-technical careers in technology, data, and artificial intelligence. Learning Python will equip you with the fundamental knowledge and skills required to embark upon a career in tech and enable you to command a significant salary as a result. And you don't need a background in mathematics, science, nor computing to learn Python. All you need is an interest in technology and, along with a basic computer, you can be developing your own Python computer programs within minutes. Once equipped with beginner Python skills, listed here are some example, more technical focused common career pathways and roles in technology, data, and artificial intelligence that you may wish to pursue. In terms of areas of interest, software engineering relates to the design and development of software services and applications. Data engineering relates to the design and development of data ingestion, cleansing, transformation, and other data processing services and pipelines. Data science relates to the design, development, and evaluation of analytical and statistical models to generate insights from data, including the design and development of machine learning and artificial intelligence systems. Business analysis relates to the identification of business needs and the determination of solutions to business problems. Solutions to business problems, in this context, may include developing software systems, but may also include process improvements, organizational change, strategic planning, and policy development. Design, in this context, relates to the design of software services, applications, and systems, including application, integration, and security design, risk and cost considerations. Testing relates to the evaluation, validation, and verification of the behavior of software services, applications, and systems against technical and business requirements. And management relates to the management of the delivery of software products and services, including people, budget, and risk management. Please visit the webpage for this module, where you can click on each of these roles to find out more about the typical responsibilities they entail. In regards to salary, and generally speaking of course, for entry-level roles at the graduate and junior level grades with between 0 and 3 years experience, you may expect to command a salary of somewhere between £22,000 to £35,000 per year. For more experienced roles at the senior and principal level grades with between 3 to 8 years of experience, you may expect to command a salary of somewhere between £40,000 to £80,000 per year. And for executive roles with more than 8 years of experience, you may expect to command a salary of somewhere between £80,000 to £120,000 per year. In addition to a significant salary, careers in technology often provide the following benefits: flexible working hours, a hybrid or even 100% remote working model, private medical insurance including coverage for your dependents, pension schemes with employer contributions often exceeding statutory obligations, dedicated personal development and training budgets, an annual bonus based on company and personal performance, diverse career progression opportunities, and dedicated research and development budgets, including hackathons. Arguably, the most important factor for those choosing to embark upon a career in technology, data, and artificial intelligence is the opportunity to work on intellectually challenging, stimulating, and socially worthwhile projects that deliver the next generation of cutting-edge technologies and improve people's lives. For example, you may find yourself working on projects involving, but not limited to, virtual and augmented reality, artificial intelligence and robotics, combating climate change and disease, chatbots and other forms of human-computer interaction, medical devices and AI-powered healthcare, digital finance and blockchain technologies, social media and recommendation systems, next-generation military hardware, and even space technologies and modern space exploration. All of these sectors and technologies are open to those with good foundational knowledge of computing principles and concepts, both of which are gained through learning a programming language such as Python. People often believe that you need a higher degree in mathematics, science, or computing to work in technology. In actual fact, for entry-level roles, employers are much more interested in your ability to work collaboratively, your ability to think logically and creatively, and your approach to solving difficult problems. To apply for entry-level roles in technology, data, and artificial intelligence, employers will generally assess the following skills: demonstrable expertise in coding, such as Python, and ideally an associated certification, your knowledge of foundational computing concepts, including data structures, control flow, and functions, demonstrable interest in technology, good communication and collaboration skills, your experience working effectively as both part of a team and independently, detail-oriented, and the fact that you take pride in delivering high-quality work, that you enjoy problem-solving with an analytical mindset, and that you are proactive in your own personal development, such as self-directed training. By learning Python, you can certainly check off the first 3 items on this list, and you can be confident in your job applications as you embark upon a career in technology, data, and artificial intelligence.